Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kakenhuan Menteri ke Sarkar Jela kala ajing menjur ban Pynkiew ya ke khajana halor kom penyang kali petrol ba diesel haga Jela. Ya kani garai la ajing menjur haga jing elang jo kakenhuan Menteri kabla long sekretariat mentang singi ke arpu sau terek unailar ar arpu ar. Haba pun benai kani ling baki lat pathai khubor Menteri Sarkar James PK Sangma ulai thu ba kani ga jing Pynkiew ka khajna halor ka petrol kade hadian ba ka Assam kala Pynkiew ka khajna bat ka jude ku rukom baro shikata kabala le lang ha Meghalaya ru da ka jing Pynkiew ka khajna ka dor jong ka petrol ba diesel ha Meghalaya kan kiu da Tyngka Piah.
As you may be aware that government of Assam has recently revised its rates of petrol and diesel, and as is the practice which has been followed in the state of Meghalaya for a very long time, whenever the rates of Assam are changed commensurate to that, government of Meghalaya also revises its rates of petrol and diesel to take advantage of the price differential. And today, as you all know, the present rate of tax for petrol is 13.5% or rupees 11 per liter, whichever is higher. So this has been revised to 13.5% or rupees 12.50 per liter, whichever is higher. And for diesel, the present rate right now of tax is 5% or rupees 4 per liter, whichever is higher. This has been revised to 5% or rupees 5.50 per liter, whichever is higher.
Hagawai pat kaliang James ula ong bawat la ka don ka jing Pynkiew ka khajna hajilla henrei ka dor ka petrol bat ka diesel ka de ka bakham tat tam ha Meghalaya la da yanu jor ha barok ka kari. Komta ka dor ka petrol ha berni hat kandei no khandai pusan point shipo Tyngka litar bat ka jingye pher ka dor ha pedeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam ka long Tyngka khandai pu ar pisa ha ka ba ka dor ka khamduna ha Meghalaya ka dor ka petrol ha nong ba shlong ka dei khandai pun rio point pralai Tyngka litar ha ba ye dei ba ka diesel ka dor ka dei prapulai point san no Tyngka litar ha berni hat bat ha nong ba shlong ka dor ka dei prapusau point nyo ar Tyngka litar.
So basically, in very simple terms, the effect of this is basically that presently, if we look at the rate of the retail sales price of petrol in Burnihut right now is rupees 95.10, and now there will be there will be an increase of rupees 1.92. So that there will be a difference of rupees 1.92 between between Assam and between Meghalaya. So it is now going to be 95.10 in Burnihut and 96.83 in Shillong. This is petrol. And for diesel, the new RSP, that is the retail sales price, is going to be 83.50 in Burnihut and rupees 84.72 in Shillong. And the difference basically would be in Burnihut rupees 1.44 for diesel and rupees 0.22 in Shillong for diesel. Despite the hike in our tax structure and the consequent increase in the oil in the prices of petrol and diesel, we are still as a state in terms of petrol and diesel prices are the cheapest in the entire country.